Okay, you guys, so I have this new machine from an HTV Run. You guys know they came out with, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, the LOKLIK, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And honestly, this is a great beginner machine. Now, you guys know I'll just unbox the Siser Juliet. And I know you're probably looking like, why do you have another machine? AJ, you don't need one. So, you guys, as a small business, I do teach classes for people that's trying to learn this craft. And I feel like when I'm doing stuff like that, I need to have different machines to teach different people, because not everybody can afford the expensive machines that's $500. This is a great beginner machine. So you guys, I feel like, why not have it in my craft room, so that way I could actually teach people with all levels, not just the expensive people that's trying to buy these $300 machines. Okay, so it came with a cutting mat. I don't know what this is. I believe this is some vinyl. I believe this is some type of vinyl, but it also came with a cutting mat and some vinyl, it looks like. This look like the same size as the regular cutting mats I have, so that's A+. I'm gonna move this to the side. So I'm happy to have this in my hands to test out for you guys. I think it's LOKLIK. I believe I'm pronouncing this right, you guys. I like that everybody always give us like a, you know, informed paperwork, nice little envelope. So if you don't know, this is a crafting machine. They do come with instructions. It's supposed to be Bluetooth, just like the regular cutting machines, nothing too different. And it got a menu on how to use it. It talks about the blades, and you are able to actually change the blades out versus buying a whole blade housing. You just got to change the blade out and put it into the housing. So let me go ahead and put this up. Y'all know, for me, y'all know me, I'm kind of always just throwing the menu out, because I'd rather be real and just, let's be real and just learn the thing, okay? Now, this color is so freaking cute. All right, let's see. Y'all know we struggle. We struggle over here with boxes. Oh, we got it. We got it. This could drop, y'all. We got it. Okay, we got it out. The box did drop, though. We did drop the box. Now, it did come some stuff inside the box, so I'm gonna let that come on out. We do have a charger, blades, charger or housing just to plug it up, and a marker. Okay, that's it. So it does come with a mat. That's good. And this is a cutting machine, DIY cutting machine, vinyl cutter. If you guys are looking like, what cutting machine is this? It is a cutting machine. Okay, they packed it up nice. This blue, y'all know me. Now, I won't say that like teal is my favorite color, but y'all, when I say, if they got it in this color, I want it. I need to make this part of my business colors, because honey, when I first started, it was, actually this machine is kind of lightweight. It's not so heavy, but it do have some weight to it. This machine is pretty. Let me move this out the way. Take the tape off. Now it does give, it looks a little like the other machines. I think all of these machines honestly all look alike. Let's keep it real. Nobody wants to talk about that, but we're going to talk about it. Open up here. I wonder what this red tab for. That's rubber. I think I'm about to break it. Let me not do that. Okay, got a cardboard in here. Please remove. It got a play button, pause button. Actually, kind of somewhere. Okay, it goes this way first. That's probably why. So it has a play button, pause button, and to pull in your paper. It's kind of a little bit like the Cricut and also like the Cameo. And you got a space right here for like your markers, I guess. Okay. Love the color. Now, let's see what's inside of here. Not that many stuff that I needed to actually like take off. Okay, so now we have our blades. Now this right here reminds me of the Siser with the blades, because it comes with blades that you have to put in, and we learned last time if the blade not put in all the way, we got a problem because it didn't cut. I don't know which blade is what, so we do have to look that up, but you do have the house in here. So we do have that. I believe this white piece is for your markers. So we also have that also. Now I believe this is like a 40-degree blade and a 60-degree blade. Don't know for sure yet, but we'll be testing it out. Now I kind of have a project I do want to try on here. Some permanent vinyl that I want to try. So you have a connector to connect to your laptop. And we also have the power cord also. A lot of these always look the same because these kind of the same as the other ones too. So we're going to connect it. We're going to hook it up. We're going to put the blade in. And we're going to test it out because I want to test out a project on here. This opens up. Okay. And then you can put the rest of it. You can put like the blades in here. Now I like this because the Siser Juliet didn't have like an area to put something in. Okay, that's too full. I probably have to take it all out. Like just leave the blades in there. But be careful with the blades, y'all. But I'd rather have them in here because I'm not gonna lie, I would lose them. When they all around my house in boxes, I lose them. Okay. Boom, okay. Wait, it go this way first. Boom. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and hook it up.